play chess and it's #1 website for kids. So you just need to go to chesskid.com and then you'll get this page. So you can read all of these. So I'm just going to say sign up. Okay, so this account is for now. I'm going to choose kid. Okay, now you have to choose a username. I'm going to use, let's see, long living writer. That's what I'm going to choose. I'm just going to say choose. Okay, hello long living writer. Pick a player picture. Okay, so it's just more. Okay, I'm going to go with this girl. Okay guys, we are in the game. So, play versus kid, play duo, play versus bot. So you can play and you can see some lessons and you can puzzles and puzzle duo, learn, connect, events, adventure, and go. So I'm just going to show you play versus game. So I'm going to say new here. I'm just going to say 5 minutes game. Okay, so 10 minutes, just 1 second. Okay, great. So now it's my turn. I'm just gonna play. Okay, let me remove that. So let's quickly fast forward this match.